Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. Saan man kayong sulok ng mundo. So right here where I am, it's 6:20 at night. Dito sa aming lugar, 6:20, and I'll show you outside. It's still very light out. See guys? Yan. 6 o'clock at night dito. And still very light out. But it's raining and it's cold again. It's always cold here during springtime. So I can wait until summer because it's gonna be warmer, a lot better, and sunny. So yeah, today we don't have nothing to do with my son. My husband's work today, and me, I just doing house chore a little bit. And yeah, my son received his package from Amazon, and it's his early present for his birthday, and he's so excited for that to open. I'll show you after this a little bit. So yeah, hopefully guys you are safe, and wherever you are, take care always, and thank you for being a friend. Saan mang sulok ng mundo, saan kayo, thank you so much. Here's Zachary. He had to unbox his package from Amazon today that Daddy gave him for his early present.
Very early.
Yeah, early birthday present, right, Daddy? Unboxing his present.
I'm trying to see if I can make a big enough hole so I can just rip it.
Do you need help?
Nope.
Let me help you.
I want to unbox. I want to see if I can do this by myself.
Okay, let me help you.
Fine.
Okay, right here.
Good one.
Hold the box so that it won't move.
Okay, now let me try to open. Let me try.
Okay. That's still. The face of very exciting moment for this boy. There, he got the first box open.
And now we're going to open the
Oh, what is that, buddy?
It's a hoverboard. So now I'm going to open this.
Okay, you have to be careful, okay?
Yep.
Look at here. Look up here a minute.
Hello.
He's very concentrated and excited on his hoverboard. He already know how to use this. He's very good on it.
Whoa.
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 Jetson care.
Here is it, Zachary. What is that? It's a hoverboard. Extra
We need
free.
to keep this box.
Yeah. Here's his very excited face. Let me see your face, buddy.
Hi. Look at those wheels. Mom, can you help me pick it up? Can you pick it up?
Right here. Don't cover that camera, Anna.
Okay, let's try to
Pick up on the other side. No, be careful on the back.
Look at it. Look at it.
Look at the face of this.
Okay, pick it up.
Let me see your face first.
Look at it. It's spooky.
Let me see your face. Look up here.
Hi.
Say
How are
something
you?
about what you're gonna do for your hoverboard first.
Play with it.
Huh?
I'm gonna play with it.
You have to ride of it?
Yep. I'm gonna go 5 miles an hour. No, 10 miles
Okay.
an hour.
Hold in the other end, and mommy will hold in this other end. You know what we have to... Whoa, be careful, that's heavy.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
can see why this is. Whoa. Whoa, look at it. You think it's already charged? Let's
No,
see.
I think you book it the manual.
Hey, I'm gonna go
Manual.
charge it.
And read the manual.
I already know how to use these because
This is his
See?
new hoverboard.
this is the charger, and then you
Uh-huh.
plug it in right there.
Cool, dude. Look at his face. Smile, buddy. And now, kaya tabok choy. Can you just stay over there because it's darker? Look nicer in the light. So what's the name of that ride, buddy?
Or if you pronounce it, HOVERBOARD.
I just joking. Keep saying that word. So how many times did you try until you're very through? I mean, you're very good. Huh? I'm your friend. Okay, say something.
I like peanut butter. Too hot.
Alright, say thanks for watching.
Dad to come downstairs. I'm gonna pop some bags. I want my dad to come upstairs.